Good morning, friends. Today we will be seeing commodity derivatives. A commodity, first of all, you should know the definition of commodity. Everything of movable goods except money and security. A commodity include material, agri products, perishable and non-perishable, consumable and non-consumable goods, which will be included. The commodity will be specified in bullions and other metals and agriculture products and perishable and non-perishable goods. Moreover, derivatives meaning. We should see the derivative meaning, a contract or future or option, the value which can be derived from underlying assets. Underlying asset means whichever we will be trading goods and services, it is called underlying assets. Derivatives are a contract that are originally from the need to minimize the risk. Here they have saying that the minimizing of risk will be taken by the derivatives market, where they can be hedging their risk and before they could avoid the risk and the liquidity of the positions. Here they have saying what is commodity market? A derivative contract where underlying assets are commodity which are precious metal like gold, silver, platinum and other metal like tin, copper, lead, steel and agri products like coffee, wheat, cotton, energy products. Where India commodity market requirement. India is among the top best 5 producer of commodity in addition to be specific consuming of bullions and energy. Agriculture contribution about 22% to the GDP of Indian economy. It employs the around 57% of labor force on the total 163 million hectares of land. Here they have specifically said that commodity is a major sources of Indian. Moreover, it is understood that commodity there is required and role they can be played in risk management, and it is a common knowledge that the price of commodity shares and currency fluctuate over a time. A possibility of adverse price changes in future create the risk for the business. Hence, they have using the commodity derivatives in the place. There are two types of commodity derivative mainly. Two important commodity derivatives are commodity future contract and commodity option contract. Where we could see further, I will be explaining each and everything in detail. A commodity contract. A future contract is an agreement for buying and selling a commodity for predetermined delivery price at a specific future date. A future or a standardized contract that are traded on organized future. Here they have saying that the option contract. The option contract is as a right or but not the obligation to buy or sell the specific quantity of product at a specific price on or before specific date. A seller has a right to in favor of buyer who pay the certain premium to the seller. Here option contract has a two part call options and put option. Here they have right in call option a right to buyer the contract or the not the obligation to the seller. They have obligation to right to sell, not right to obligate the buying. Here the option contract will be exercised the option only if the beneficiary to them, unless they are yet to be captured. If that is beneficial to them, they have execute that contract. Economic importance of commodity derivatives. Commodity is generally running over 100 years ago. In 2003, it has been issue of liquidity and issue of multiple regulatory justice, and at least there is a platform for viewing and the trading on commodity. There are some important role that the commodity market can be performed in Indian context. First are great investment in the agriculture eco ecosystem. Today, most challenging for agriculture sector, they have visual, visual absence of the infrastructure. As a result, they have amount of revenue lost in the transfer process. Hence, they have using the commodity market as an instrument to mitigate this risk for the middlemen, brokers, and the farmers. These are the main important thing. And second important thing that the a mentality for the aggregate and the financing. Currently, middlemen played the important aggregate role, but they have not executed the transformation method. Hence, the commodity market played an important role as a aggregator of the agriculture product are more efficiency and more effectively. Hence, the market provide the guarantee and the organized method for the selling of agriculture product and the financing. Third important thing, the retail investment investor can participate in new asset class. For long-term investment class for the Indian, they can be played in a traditional gold, real estate, bond, and silver, while the small can be participate indirectly in the commodity market through the equity capital mentality they have. In process, they are able to diversify their concentration of risk. Absorption of some stipulated excel the spot market. There is important that the lot of demand for the gold will be generated for stipulated purpose, and there is only much gold produced heavily on the gold import to the meet the individual additional demand. Now the gold import has been majorly downside. The result utilizing the precious foreign exchange resources without the commitment of produce benefit. Final fifth one is hedging price and distributing of the risk. It is the most important thing to adapt the commodity market in India, which will be necessary that you can see that the hedging will be take place to in order to mitigate their risk in the future, which will be avoiding the risk for the farmer and consumer and the seller, and distributing the risk amongst all the stakeholders related to commodity market. The final benefit that achieving the common food safety throughout the commodity market. Bad warehousing is a risk that the farmer has been forced to take. This farmer can use the future market as more effectively by the selling future on their grains and lock the price. Yeah, they have seen that the majorly um, Food Corporation of India will be storing the all the commodities which are being traded in commodity market in safe and secure manner. Hence, the food are not uh, demolished. The use of derivatives. The using this product can be helping the reducing of uh, cost on underlying asset and earning money on share that are underly ideal, and protect the shares against the pri- price fluctuation, and benefit for arbitrarily buy in low one's market and high uh, sell high in other market. Objective of firm using the derivatives to reduce the cash flow volatility and hence to depress the financial distress cost, and transferring the market risk from risk diversification investor to those with the applicable for the risk. And most some form using the derivatives not for the purpose of hedging the risk but also stipulating for the future market. Hence, finally, we conclude that many countries, including India, has did derivatives of creating so much speculating that could be healthy growth of the market. The future and option trade hence help in hedging the price risk and also provide the investment opportunity to stipulate hence it is most important. Finally, thank you for watching this video and please share and subscribe to Deepak Educator channel for further more videos and hit the bell icon for get updated with this channel.